Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about Panerai Luminor Marina, model number PAM 1312. This watch has a 44mm diameter across from thumb to forefinger, and the case is made of AISI 316L brushed steel, which has superior corrosion resistance. You won't see this watch tarnish at any point soon. The bezel is a smooth, polished steel for a clean, distinctive look that allows it to reflect the world around you, as does the crystal. The dial is black with luminous hour and Arabic numbers 12, 6, and 9 markers to ensure easy reading, even in lower light situations. Let me turn out the lights here for a second. And you can see that it glows very brilliantly in the dark. Turn the lights back on. The date is located at the 3 o'clock position, while the 9 o'clock subdial ensures precise timekeeping for seconds. The case is water resistant down to 30 bar, or about 300 meters. And also, notice that there is a crown protector for the adventuring type. The strap is made of alligator black, consistent with this timepiece's association with water maritime activities. There is a distinct ecru stitching for excellent and tasteful contrast. The strap is rated standard size, so it can fit just about any wrist. There have also been no chemical treatments to the leather, ensuring an excellent natural patina that will develop as you wear this watch over time. The movement is an automatic mechanical P9010 caliper executed by Panerai with 13 3/4 lines, 6mm thick with 31 jewels, glucifer balance, and with 28,800 alternations per hour. It also contains Inca block anti-shock to maintain time precisely even in rough situations. The power reserve is 3 days, 2 barrels, leading to a total of 200 components within. And as you can see on my wrist, it is a rather large dial, but that is because of the crown protector. And as you can see, it will fit my wrist just fine. Setting the time is rather simple, despite this crown protector. Simply pull the lever down to allow the crown to be pulled out, and note that it is actually already in the first position. Simply winding the crown winds the watch. The second position allows you to adjust the hour hand. And by extension, the date. Let me move the minute hand out of the way for you. Note that moving the hour hand changes the date between usually 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. The third position stops the time as the dial, denoting the seconds at the 9 o'clock position, has actually stopped. Turning the crown in this position allows you to adjust the minute hand for precise timekeeping. Starting up the time again is easy. Just simply close the lever, and as you can see, the second hand has begun moving again. So what are your thoughts on this watch? Does the crystal seem to reflect too much, or is that something you look for in a timepiece? Perhaps something that helps you gather the attention in the room. If you're the active adventuring type, do you think that the crown protector is an excellent selling point? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe as well, and do keep in mind that this very model, as of the making of this video, is for sale right now at our website, jazztime.com. Be sure to pick it up before it's too late, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.